Good morning and welcome to Tabernacle. Pre-Pastor's Anniversary Celebration and Parade of Soloists will take place on Tuesday, November 10th at 7 o'clock p.m. All ministries will present Pastor Walker with gifts of love and also featuring special guest soloists Anthony Williams, Donnell Davis, and Shirley McGill, plus many more. It's the Pastor's Anniversary Celebration and Parade of Soloists. It's time to honor Pastor Stanley L. Walker Sr. during his 37th pastoral anniversary. To celebrate, there will be one service on Sunday, November 15th at 9:30 a.m. The guest speaker will be Reverend T.E. Simmons, pastor of Reedy Fork Baptist Church in Simpsonville, South Carolina. Each member is asked to give $1 for each year Pastor Walker has been at Tabernacle for a total of $37. Thank you in advance for your cooperation as we honor our pastor for 37 years of service. Women's ministry meetings are the first and third Wednesday of each month at 6:30 p.m. in the lower level of the church. The next meeting will be November 18th with speaker Deaconess Janet Ross. Attention all teenagers. The teen ministry meets every other Thursday at 6:30 p.m. The next meeting date for this month will be November 19th. Please see Minister Rob Hunter or Miss Marjorie Leon if you have any questions. TNBC presents the Motown Hits and Dinner Show December 4th, 7 o'clock p.m. at the FAMU High Cafeteria. The cost is a donation of $25 per couple and $15 for a single ticket. The attire is 1960s and 1970s. There will be a Best Attire contest with performances from music artists of the past. To sign up for contests and register for tickets, please contact Lorraine James or Melba Hawkins Littles. College graduate recognition will be held December 6th during 10:30 a.m. service. All information must be submitted no later than November 30th. Honor Roll recognition will be held December 13th during 10:30 a.m. service. All report cards must be submitted no later than November 30th. The Christmas program will be held Sunday, December 13th at 9:30 a.m. Christmas program practice will be held every Wednesday at 6 o'clock p.m. beginning November 18th. Practice dates are November 18th, December 2nd, and December 9th. Speeches will be available during rehearsal. Please contact Mrs. Onika Christopher if you have any questions. You are cordially invited to attend the TNBC Sunday School Glenn Wade Memorial Holiday Fellowship Saturday, December 19th from 6 o'clock p.m. until 8 o'clock p.m. at Jake Gaither Community Center. The cost is a $10 donation for adults and guests. Sunday school students 14 and under are free. Please RSVP with your Sunday school teacher by December 6th. Hot breakfast will be served on the second, third, and fourth Sundays in the TNBC Annex building from 8 a.m. until 10:30 a.m. Please come over and support the Fill My Cup Culinary Ministry. The cost is $5 for adults and $1 for children 12 and under. You are invited to help those in need in this church and the community with your donations of canned meats, starches, canned vegetables, canned fruits, and snacks in order to keep the Tabernacle Pantry fully stocked. Transportation to church is available. For more information, please contact the church office at 850-575-2739. The Fair Committee is looking for volunteers to assist in the church's concession stand booth. If you are interested in being a volunteer, please contact Deacon John Franklin or the church at 850-575-2739. The Walk of Faith broadcast is on Comcast Channel 21 every Thursday at 6 o'clock p.m. and every Sunday at 3:30 p.m. The deadline for submitting announcements for the video presentation will be the Wednesday before the Sunday you want your announcement read. Please send all announcements to announceit@tnbc@yahoo.com. That's announceit@tnbc@yahoo.com. Thank you for your attention. This concludes your announcements for today. Please remember our sick and shut-in members as well as our bereaved members. A member of the Hospitality Committee will now come to further greet you.